The speed of the PMSM is measured by using an encoder. The actual speed of the machine is compared with a reference value. The error is given as input to the PA controller, so that the error can be manipulated to be given as input to the next stage. So the reference speed is compared with the actual speed, and error is manipulated with the help of PA controller, and that is given as input to the next stage, that is to the quadrature axis current. So here that becomes the reference quadrature current. The actual quadrature current is derived from this block, dq to ABC conversion, that is Parkes transformation. The line currents are measured. The line currents are IA, IB and IC. All the three currents are measured and is converted to dq axis currents. The actual value of dq should be, the actual value of ID should be 0, and the value of IQ comes from the previous block. It comes from the reference speed and the PA controller associated with that. Here we are comparing the reference Q axis current and actual current. The error is manipulated again with the help of PA controller, and we are getting VD and VQ. This VD and VQ will be again converted to ABC, that is VA, VB and VC. Again this VA, VB and VC are converted to corresponding pulses with the help of SVPWM modulation. Okay, so this is the simulation part that I am going to do. Here we have the battery, and I've chosen a bridge converter here. This bridge converter is nothing but an inverter. Here we are giving the gate pulses to the switches inside the bridge converter. The output of the bridge converter is connected to PMSM. Here the back EMF sinusoidal. If you chose trapezoidal, it becomes BLDC motor, so it has to be kept at sinusoidal. And these are the values of voltage constant and other parameters associated with PMSM motor. And these are the bridge converter values. The reference speed that I am going to give here is 500 RPM. So this block converts RPM to radians per second. This is the FOC part. The reference speed is given to this comparator. So it comes from the previous block, it comes from here. And the reference speed is compared with the actual speed. Okay, so the actual speed is coming from here. It will be in terms of radians per second. The error between the reference speed and actual speed is derived from this block, and it is given as input to the PA controller. So as I told you earlier, the output of the first PA controller becomes the input of the inner loop. Okay, so this is the outer loop. Outer loop is for speed control and inner loop is for current control. Likewise, we have the reference value of ID or ISD is 0, and that 0 value is again compared with the actual direct axis current, and the error is manipulated again with the help of PA controller. Okay, so here we are getting the reference values to the next block. Okay, so these two are the reference D axis and Q axis currents, and this part inverse transformation will convert that to alpha theta frame. Okay, so up to here it will be similar to DC, and D and Q axis currents are converted to alpha and beta axis currents. So here it becomes a sinusoidal wave. It resembles a two-phase sinusoidal wave, and the output of this Sparks inverse block will be given as input to the second block, that is Clark inverse transformation. So this Clark inverse transformation block will convert alpha beta voltage to corresponding VA, VB and VC voltages, three-phase voltages, and this block will convert the corresponding voltages to 6 PWM signals for all the switches in the inverter. Okay, so these are the things inside the Clark's inverse transformation block and Spark inverse block. This is Sparks transform. I'm going to run the simulation for 0.5 seconds, and the torque I have given is 1 Newton meter. So I'm going to simulate it. The simulation is running. Let's open it. Okay, you can see the speed settling exactly at 500 RPM. So I have designed this simulation to work for a maximum speed of 500 RPM. So if you want, you can download this model from the link given in the description and you can use it. Please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.